Welcome to the do-it-yourself exercise, where your task is now to create the sum of bonus discount calculated field at the end that will apply a bonus only if the discount is less than 5% for the whole database for every region. To do so, first you need to calculate the sum of sales before discount, then the sum of discount amount, the discount percentage itself, and at the end, the final calculation of the bonus. Good luck, and then check together with me. Let's start by inserting a pivot table and creating the correct structure, regions on rows. And right now, let's place there only sales as the sum of sales to have something at the beginning of the pivot table. Step number 1 for us is to calculate sales before discount, which is sales divided by 1 minus discount. Your initial idea might be, let's create a calculated field, because this is the exercise on calculated fields. So let's try to do it in here, sales before discount as the new calculated field. And I would like to take my sales and divide it by 1 minus discount, which is the percentage column inside my data source. But before I hit OK, let me just tell you one thing. Whenever you place any field on the formula bar of the calculated field, it's turned into a sum. So in here we take the sum of sales, which is not a problem, but what we do, we divide it by 1 minus sum of discounts. I don't want the pivot table to sum me the discounts on the aggregated level for all of the regions, because it doesn't make much sense. I would like to calculate it based on the row of every order we have. So if I hit add and confirm by hitting OK, you will see that this calculation is not going to work in here. Let's remove it. So we need to find it and remove it from the pivot table. And right now we need to find a better solution by creating new columns inside our source table, which is sales before discount. And right now we are going to calculate this sales based on the source level. So we take the single cell from a table, and based on the discount which applies only to specific row, we calculate the sales before discount amount. We can see it's a bit higher than the sales, which is fine. Then the next step is the discount amount, which we also need to calculate the discount in a percentage, but not on the row level of every table, but for the whole sales of particular region. So we will take the sales before discount and just multiply it by the single discount. So within this exercise, we actually have two discounts. The first one is the line or the order line discount that allows us to calculate the amounts like sales before discount and also the discount as the amount. But right now we need to calculate the discount as a percentage based on the summed values that we already have. So let's go back right now to our pivot table and let's place there the calculations that we already have, but because they are not available on the pivot table fields, we need to refresh the pivot table. And right now you will see sales before discount and the discount amount. These are the calculations we wanted. And we can move right now to the calculated fields to calculate the discount as a percentage based on the global values we have. So we want to take all of the discount amounts, or the sum of them, and divide it by sales before discount to calculate the global sum of discount. This is going to be the percentage maybe with 1 decimal place, and you can see right now the correct result of the aggregation for the whole database for every region. And the final calculation, if the discount is less than 5%, then we can apply a bonus. Otherwise, we want to highlight a message, reduce the discounts to get the bonus. So this is once again a task for the calculated field, which we will call bonus. Let's call it discount. And the formula is if my discount in percentage is less than 0.05, then we would like to apply 0.01, so 1% multiplied by the sales value as the reward for the regions manager. Otherwise, we would like to see reduce discount. When I hit add and don't close the bracket, you will see that the formula is going to return an error. After hitting add, the formula bonus discount is applied. And right now, after hitting OK, you will see that although it works and calculates me the bonus for the discount, you can see that the value in here does not appear. Is there any way to solve it? Actually, a normal pivot table is not capable of creating a calculation, a measure, a calculated field that will return a text. So the only option to change it is to go to pivot table options and apply a specific format for error values. And right now, instead of error, I would like to create the name reduce discounts. You just place it without any quotes, and after hitting OK, you can see right now that this text might replace the error in the pivot table.